How to turn off active status on Messenger. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to turn off your active status on Messenger. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Messenger on your device. You will land on the chat section. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner. Then tap on the settings icon at the top. Under the profile section, you will find the option for active status. Tap on it. Now toggle off the button for the feature so when you are active, a pop-up will appear asking how long you would like to pause your active status. Now make sure to select Until I Change It option. Finally, tap Pause to confirm. And there you have it. You have successfully turned off your active status on Messenger. Now you won't appear online to others and still use Messenger. If you wish to get back online, you will need to come on to this page and toggle on the button for Show When You Are Active feature. Until you turn it on, you will remain offline to others on Messenger. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.